Hello, DIA Amsterdam. My name is Lorenz Graeff. I'm the co-founder and CEO of bsurance, an Austrian insurtech based in Vienna. And I'm happy to have also Paul Varga with me on stage. Paul is co-founder and CEO of Playbrush, a health tech startup based in Vienna too, and our cooperating partner. Paul will help me later by demonstrating our joint showcase. So, why we are here on stage? In today's insurance industry, we see two major challenges to overcome. Firstly, insurance products are way too complicated for consumers on one hand, being sold digitally on the other hand. Secondly, insurance products are rarely offered directly at the point of sale. I'll give you a quick example. If I go skiing, and as an Austrian, I definitely like to go skiing even more than being on such a big stage like here, I need to protect myself up front. Why not adding an insurance cover directly connected to the skiing pass, which I need to purchase anyway? So, it's all about getting insurance products embedded at the right time and place. And that is what bsurance is delivering to insurance carriers like you are, embedded insurances. Now, Paul and me want to demonstrate the initially mentioned showcase. So, Paul, what was the reason why you wanted to add insurance services to your existing subscription offerings?
So thanks, Lawrence. In very short about Playbrush. So there are two main problems with kids oral care, so oral care for children. One is obviously cavities and tooth decay, and this is the major problem we're focusing on at Playbrush. So we've developed the Playbrush, which basically is a smart toothbrush that turns any toothbrush into a game controller, which means while kids brush their teeth, they can control mobile games via their brushing movements and consequently get better at toothbrushing via real-time feedback via the games, but also via detailed statistics. So that's what we do. And the Playbrush comes with two subscription services. One, which basically is around the software, so it gives families access to an extensive library of games and parents to really detailed statistics to monitor the kids' toothbrushing and share it with the dentists. And the second service is about toothbrush and toothpaste refill deliveries, which they can get every 3 to 6 months. And that's super important to understand when we talk about the second major problem families have with their kids' teeth, which is accidents. So basically kids breaking their teeth. And this is happening quite often. It's a massive problem because those costs are only covered partly by public social insurance, which means the families normally have to pay themselves. That's why we thought about integrating a dental protection insurance into our offering, which means when customers buy our subscription, they can embed a dental protection insurance into the offering, which does not only improve the product experience, but basically all of the dental experience of the family.
In order to allow a proper customer experience, we had together with Playbrush to develop a lean and smart way of integrating the insurance into the existing Playbrush customer experience. So, Paul will demonstrate us now how easy it is for new subscribers to get the subscription and to add the cover to that.
Yeah, so as you said, it's super simple. So you just go to a shop. This is the mobile version of a shop, and you select your Playbrush. So in this case, we go for the manual version, and then you choose your subscription. So let's get the one where you also get your toothbrushes and toothpaste delivered to your house. And then after getting the billing cycle right, you just opt into the insurance, which basically says that your kids are covered with dental protection insurance. You accept the terms from the insurance provider. You put in the very basic data of your kid, which just requires the name and the date of birth. And that's basically it. So then you see in the card, you have the Playbrush, you have the subscription, which basically gives you access to the games and the supplies, and you also get the insurance. Yeah, super simple.
Thank you very much, Paul. So that's definitely how a modern user experience should look like. But what happens behind the scenes on a technical layer? Both systems, the e-commerce system of Playbrush and the policy management system, are directly connected. bsurance has built an insurance API which can be easily integrated into any third-party application. So let's see how this works. Playbrush collects all the insurance-related data during their checkout process. After successful payment, the data is sent over the insurance API into the policy management system. The policy is created in real time and sent via email to the Playbrush customer. For claims management purposes, we developed a claims form, which is also integrated via the insurance API into the policy management system. It can be easily adapted in the look and feel of the partner's CI. In the course of the next months, we will add additional features like a service chatbot or fraud detection to even deliver a better customer experience at the touch point. Regarding integration effort, Paul, how long did it take to integrate the insurance API into your e-commerce system?
So it was super simple. What you just saw took like around 2 weeks of implementation and then 1 week of end-to-end user testing, and that was basically it, so 3 weeks in total.
Wow, that's impressive, isn't it? But we have to bear in mind, Playbrush is a startup too. In corporate time measurement, I think it would be fair to say it takes roughly 4 to 6 weeks to get an integration done. So, to sum it up, bsurance connects consumers with fair and relevant insurance products embedded at the right time and place by partnering with insurance carriers like you and P2C companies like Playbrush. By doing so, we generate a win-win-win situation for all three involved parties. Insurance carriers get access to new markets. B2C sales partners get the opportunity to grow new or safeguard their existing business by embedding insurances. Consumers get simple access to fair and relevant insurance products. Paul, many thanks for your support. Many thanks for your time. And I'd love to speak to all of you on our bsurance booth. Thank you.